Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mrs. Joanne Lemay, High Commissioner of Canada to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which the Governor General has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the High Commissioner of Canada to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials, and I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and a successful mission. Please convey to the Governor General and the government and the people of Canada our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Bula, protection of the wetlands.
Yes?
And this grass is grown in the wetlands. It's called kuta. It's something special from where I come from. It's a bit golden.
It's lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
2, 3.